Hello guys, here we are for another unboxing video. So today we are going to unbox this King of Artists, Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5 from Bandai and Banpresto. This is a Japan release, so if you're planning to buy this figure, the box should look like this. So this is the front of the box. This is the left side of the box. And here's what you'll see on the right side. Now turning to the back. And here's what you'll see at the bottom. Here you'll see a product code on the lower right of your screen, which is 2643781. So remember that. And here's the top of the box. So on top, you should see the Jaya logo and the golden Toei sticker. Again, this is a Japan release, so I'm getting the golden sticker because this figure was directly shipped from Japan. Now, without any further ado, let's start unboxing. So inside the box, you should see these 4-piece parts ng ating figure. Here you go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to remove the plastic wrapping so I can start combining the parts. So this figure comes with this black base. Here you go. There are 2 pieces for you to combine. At the bottom of the base, you should see the product code that I mentioned earlier, the 2643781. Now here's the lower body part of Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5. Now I will combine this with the upper body part. So, ito na yung ating figure. If you watch the anime, ito yung iconic pose niya when Gear 5 was first introduced. This figure looks nice, I would say. The color is true to what you'll see in the anime. So, okay din yung details and you'll see some scratches. No? Detailed scratches on Luffy's skin. On the back of his shirt, mapapansin nyo meron dong BSP Vietnam. Ayan. So this ensures that our figure is authentic and this is not fake or bootleg. Grabe, even yung straw hat niya maganda yung pagkakadetail. Ayan, kita nyo naman, diba? Yun nga lang, when it comes to shading, wala masyadong shade dun sa color niya. So yung nakikita nyong medyo gray is dahil dun sa lighting natin. So napaka-plain ng color ng pagka-white, pero overall maganda naman yung figure. Now, ilagay na natin si Luffy sa kanyang black base. Ayan. Ganyan siya kapag i-display nyo na siya sa mga glass cabinet, no? Or even sa mga office desk. O kung anumang desk meron kayo. Kunin naman natin yung height tsaka weight nitong figure. So, yung height niya is about almost like 7.25 inches, I think. Yeah, nasa 7.25 inches yung height. And then yung length niya, almost nasa mga, approximately mga 6.25 inches. And then sa weight, so this figure including the vase approximately weighs 300 grams. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison with Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5 from Ichiban Kuji Beyond the Level Price A. So ito yun. Mapapansin nyo medyo magkaiba yung color nila. Itong si Ichiban Kuji may a bit of shading yung cloud accessories niya. And then yung short is medyo may pagka-purple ng konti or lavender. Tapos medyo whiter din yung skin ng Ichiban Kuji. And parang off-white yung pagka yung sa hair tsaka dun sa t-shirt. So kung papapiliin nyo ako, mas gusto ko yung kulay ni Ichiban Kuji compare dito kay King of Artists. Pero in terms of size, mas malaki si King of Artists compared kay Ichiban Kuji Beyond the Level Price A. Dito pa lang sa Straw Hat, kita nyo na which is bigger, diba? Ayan. Next, let's compare this figure with another King of Artists figure. Luffy Gear 4 Boundman. Ayan, sa size pa lang, kitang-kita nyo na, mas malaki si Gear 5. Biglang napunggok itong ating Gear 4 Boundman dahil sa laki nitong Gear 5. Iba rin yung cloud effect nitong Gear 4. Medyo may pagka-transparent siya, kaya ganyan yung kulay niya. Lastly, compare naman natin to with King of Artists, Snake Man. Again, dun sa cloud accessory part, medyo may pagka-transparent yung kay Snake Man compared kay Gear 5 Luffy. Ayan. And I think Gear 5 Luffy is a bit bigger compared to King of Artists, Snake Man. Try nga natin pagtabi-tabihin tong Gear 4 Snake Man, Gear 4 Boundman, at saka itong Gear 5 Luffy. ayan, I guess pwede nyo siyang i-display ng ganito. If ever meron kayo nung King of Hearts Snake Man, tsaka ng Boundman. Now let's give Luffy a quiet time and stare at his joyful Gear